Welcome to a journey of discovery, a voyage into the future of automotive engineering. Today, we spotlight the 2024 Voyah Free, a 1.5-litre powerhouse that promises to redefine innovation. Strap in as we delve into the heart of this mechanical marvel. At the heart of the Voyah Free beats an engine like no other. Nestled beneath the sleek contours of this 2024 model lies a 1.5-litre powerhouse, a testament to cutting-edge automotive technology and engineering prowess. What sets this engine apart, you ask? The answer lies in its perfect blend of power, efficiency, and innovation. With the ability to churn out impressive horsepower, this engine refuses to compromise on performance. Every rev, every purr, and every burst of acceleration provide a visceral reminder of the raw power at your disposal. But the Voyah Free's engine isn't just about raw power. It's about harnessing that power with exceptional efficiency. The fuel economy of this engine is a marvel, ensuring that every drop of fuel is used to its maximum potential, giving you more miles per gallon and a smoother driving experience. Moreover, the engine's design has been meticulously crafted to minimize noise and vibration, offering a ride that's as quiet as it is comfortable. The engine's seamless integration with the vehicle's overall design is a testament to the meticulous attention to detail that has gone into its making. But what truly sets the Voyah Free's engine apart is the technology that powers it. This engine employs state-of-the-art technology to deliver unrivaled performance and efficiency. From the advanced fuel injection system to the intelligent engine management system, every aspect of this engine has been designed with precision and innovation in mind. This is an engine that doesn't just power a car, it powers a driving experience unlike any other. It's an engine that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, that redefines expectations, and that sets a new standard for automotive excellence. But the engine is just the beginning. Let's delve deeper. The strength of the Voyah Free is not just in its heart, but in its bones. This isn't just a car, it's a marvel of engineering. When we talk about the structural integrity of the Voyah Free, we are talking about the very foundation upon which this automotive masterpiece is built. The body is crafted from high-strength steel, an alloy known for its impressive durability and resistance to stress. This isn't your everyday steel. This is the kind of material that's used in skyscrapers and bridges. It's the kind of steel that can withstand the rigors of the road and the test of time. But it's not just about the steel. The Voyah Free employs a unibody construction, seamlessly integrating the body and frame into a single structure. This design not only enhances the car's stability and handling, but it also significantly improves its safety. In case of a collision, the impact force is evenly distributed throughout the body, reducing the risk of passenger injury. The aerodynamics of the Voyah Free further contribute to its performance and efficiency. The sleek and streamlined design isn't just for aesthetics. It reduces air resistance, allowing the car to glide smoothly on the highway, cutting through the air like a hot knife through butter. This not only boosts the car's speed, but also enhances its fuel efficiency. The structural integrity of the Voyah Free isn't just about withstanding the forces of nature, it's about embracing them. The car's design takes into account the nuances of the environment, from the contours of the road to the direction of the wind. It's a car that's built to work with nature, not against it. And let's not forget about the suspension system. It's designed to absorb shocks and vibrations, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on the roughest terrains. It's a testament to the car's adaptability, a reflection of its resilience. A fortress on wheels, but there's more to this automotive beast. The Voyah Free doesn't just run on gasoline, it pulses with electricity. This isn't an ordinary car, it's a symphony of mechanical and electrical engineering. Let's dive into the heart of this electrical wonder. At the core of the Voyah Free's electrical system is its powerful battery, a compact powerhouse that breathes life into everything from the car's advanced infotainment system to its adaptive LED headlights. It's a silent performer, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that every drive is seamless and enjoyable. But the battery doesn't work alone. It's part of a complex network of wires, fuses and circuits, an intricate electrical map that connects every component of the car. It's like the car's nervous system, transmitting signals from the battery to every corner of the vehicle, powering the engine, the lights, the dashboard and even the tiny motors that adjust your seat. The electrical system also plays a vital role in the Voyah Free's performance. It works in harmony with the engine, maximizing efficiency and power. It's the electrical system that helps the car respond instantly to your commands, whether you're accelerating onto a highway or braking sharply to avoid an obstacle. And then there are the features. Oh, the features. The electrical system is the unseen hand behind everything that makes the Voyah Free special. The intuitive touchscreen display, the automatic climate control, the keyless entry, the electric parking brake. All these and more are made possible by the car's sophisticated electrical system. But it's not just about functionality. The electrical system also contributes to the car's safety. From the anti-lock braking system to the airbags, it's the electrical system that ensures these safety features function correctly when you need them the most. The Voyah Free's electrical system is a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to the ingenuity and skill of its creators. It's the silent partner in every journey, the unseen force that powers the car's impressive performance and array of features. A marvel of electrical engineering, but who's the wizard behind this magic? Stay tuned as we reveal the mastermind behind the Voyah Free in our next segment. Behind every great invention is an inventor with a vision. This rings true for the Voyah Free, a car that has redefined the boundaries of automotive engineering. The mind behind this marvel is no other than the ingenious creator, who has spent countless hours and poured immeasurable passion into the development of this automobile. The creator of the Voyah Free is not just a car designer or an engineer, they're a visionary. Their vision was not only to create a car, but to design an experience that embodies the future of driving. They envisioned a vehicle that would not compromise on performance or efficiency, and the Voyah Free, with its 1.5-litre engine, has proved that this vision was not just a dream. The 2024 model of the Voyah Free is a testament to the creator's relentless pursuit of perfection. Each curve, every line, and all the intricate details have been crafted with precision, embodying the creator's meticulousness. The creator's belief in innovation and sustainability is evident in the car's design. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a bold statement about the future of the automotive industry. The journey to bring the Voyah Free to life was not without its challenges. There were countless trials and errors, late nights and early mornings, but it was the creator's unwavering belief in their vision that kept them going. They saw potential where others saw impossibility. This level of dedication and commitment is what sets the Voyah Free apart from its competitors. The creator's dream was not to create just another car, but to revolutionize the way we perceive and experience driving. And with the Voyah Free, they've done exactly that. This car is not just a product of mechanical and technological expertise, it's a brainchild of a dreamer, an innovator, and a visionary. The creator's dream realized, the Voyah Free stands as a testament to their genius. This car is not just an invention, it's a manifestation of a vision brought to life. And as we marvel at the genius of the Voyah Free, we celebrate the genius of its creator. We've explored the parts, now behold the whole. With a thorough understanding of the engine, the structure, the electrical system, and the mind behind it all, we can now appreciate the Voyah Free 1.5-litre 2024 model as a complete entity. This is not just a car, it's a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Each component we've discussed doesn't just function in isolation, they come together, harmoniously interacting to deliver a driving experience that's unparalleled. The engine, with its optimal performance and fuel efficiency, sets the stage. The structure, with its reliance on high-quality iron, promises durability and safety. The advanced electrical system ensures that every ride is smooth, silent and sustainable. And all these elements are brought to life by the visionary creator whose passion is evident in every detail of the Voyah Free. But why does this car deserve your attention? Because it's more than just a means of transportation. It's a statement, a symbol of progress. It represents a future where driving is not just about getting from point A to point B, but enjoying the ride, appreciating the technology and respecting the environment. And so we come to the end of our deep dive. The Voyah Free, a car that's not just about the destination, but the journey. That's the Voyah Free, a car that's as much a work of art as it is a feat of engineering. Your likes and subscriptions fuel our journey into the future of automotive innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep driving.